spent in a miserable way.
U.S. news report shows significant increase in IUDs after Trump's election. The number of privately insured women seeking long-acting reversible contraceptives significantly increased in the 30 days following President's election in 2016, according to a study published Monday. Harvard University researchers said a higher-than-expected number of American women ages 18 to 45 sought IUD devices and implants the election. The researchers, whose study was published in the Journal of the American Medical Association, looked at women enrolled in commercial insurance during the 30 business days before and after November the 8th in 2015 and 2016 and used billing codes to calculate the number of such procedures. The researchers said that if they projected their findings to the 33 million insured women in the age group, the number would rise from an expected 4,716 insertions per day to 5,416, or 700 more per day. How? Long-term birth control is attractive for a few reasons. IUDs and implants can remain in place for years, meaning some can last longer than Trump's presidency. Although more costly out-of-pocket IUDs range from $500 to $1,000 and the implant X-Flow can cost $1,300. Some women have 100% of costs covered by insurance. Hayes noted that the lower out-of-pocket costs for birth control can be attributed to this, which mandates that insurers cover birth control. But one of Trump's Hayes said the findings suggest that women value their birth control coverage, and fear of losing that coverage may prompt a change in contraceptive methods. Doctors and women's health organizations agree. At Mara Gadel Powers, Senior Counsel of Reproductive Rights and Health at the National Women's Law Center, which runs a birth control hotline, said her organization also noticed an about birth control. Just after the election and the January 2017 inauguration, the hotline noticed a significant increase in questions about long-term contraceptive methods. Some of the increase before. Got a confidential news tip? We want to hear from you. Sign up for free newsletters and get more CNBC delivered to your inbox. Get this delivered to your inbox, and more info about our products and services. Copyright 2019 CNBC LLC. All rights reserved. Data is a real-time snapshot. Data is delayed at least 15 minutes. Global business data also provided by
Raindrop, drip, drop top, top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.